Welcome to another day in my life as a flight attendant, and I love it. And you're gonna love it too.
Exit doors. There are 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate.
Looking to see what they have. So it's like going that way, but I was looking for food. So there's one place that's open, and that was that burger place I showed you. So we'll see what they have, see if there's anything healthy. So we have about a 3-hour stay here. Honestly, there probably isn't, but you know, you never know. You never know. And I actually feel like a smoothie, like that sounds really good. Does that sound good? Like an orange or a pineapple-y like smoothie, and I can get my vitamin C in naturally. I see something, but I also see, looks like it's gated up. You guys, so let's be honest. I know we're on quarantine until the end of this month. Whoop, nobody saw that. Y'all didn't see that. So we're on quarantine for the rest of the month. However, do you guys think it's gonna last past April 30th? If you guys think it will, put thumbs up in the, or thumbs this video. Like this video if you think it's gonna, no. That's wrong, because I might not have no likes then. How about we just thumbs it up because we want it to be over? We could do that. Uh-oh, Auntie Hands? Oh no, I thought Auntie Hands was open, or Auntie Hands, however you say it. But it was just security coming out the door. Uh-oh, I see lights over here. Or is this trickery? Oh look, there's actually people. Okay. Oh no, they're closed down too. Dang, y'all. They got a Harley Davidson in here. Let me show you, and a Mac, but it's all closed. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So that's exactly what it looks like right now. It's honestly, it's not the best, and we're definitely having to like rearrange. Like for me, you guys know, like I've always struggled like, will this girl stop talking? Oh my gosh, she got a lot to say today. You done? Okay. But anyways, you guys know that I've had like, it's been like struggle season with me having to like pack my food. When I tell you I think I've got it down now, like your girl has it down, like all the way down, because we don't have a choice because nothing's open. So you eat what you pack. And when I tell you I like overpacked, I like overpacked. Like, I might spend, I think last night I spent about 5 minutes actually packing my bag, like with my clothes and, you know, makeup, shoes, all that stuff. I spent more time packing my food. That's how serious it is. So I got regular food, I have food just in case something happens, and then I got food just in case that doesn't work out. So yeah, it's actually a beautiful day outside. Take a look. All right, guys, I just got to my room. Let's see what I got. Hey family, I'm not doing nothing. Oh, let me turn Sharon down.
House building so simple.
So sorry y'all, I was watching Sharon. My mom actually watches Sharon, that's why I'm watching her, but can you see her? That's Sharon. She's so fabulous. She's on YouTube too. She, like, my mom started watching her because she does like a lot of like DIYs. She does a lot of stuff. And she kind of does like, she kind of like vlogs now. So I was trying to see what she said because she said she's buying a new house. I'm like, girl, Sharon will buy a house, sell a house, get an apartment, get another apartment. Like, you never know. So that's how I digress for the day. Hope you guys like the tour. As you can see, I got my hair back. I took a shower because I had to immediately wash the shower off. I meant to say airplane. I had to wash the plane off. And except for my makeup. So like, I don't know if you can see, but like from here down, the makeup's off because I like to like clean my nose out and brush my teeth. But I knew I was going to make a video, so I didn't touch this. But I will as soon as we part ways. But let me show you guys the beauty of God. Just look really quick. You guys see all those birds out there on the water? Just some people and all over the world are panicking and worrying. Look at the creatures of the earth. They're just out here living their best life. Just flying, looking for something to eat, probably fish. I don't know. They're just out here like, they're just loving it. And I'm loving watching. Oh, and let me tell you, I'm grateful. I'm grateful because right now we are secured for a job until September. So I've been working my butt off this month. It's only the 4th, y'all. I've worked not that it's been like, well, technically like our month started on the 28th. Like we don't always start like the beginning to the 1st to the 30th or whatever. We start, sometimes our months like go into each other. So I've actually been working since the 28th of March straight. I had one day off and that was yesterday. And when you really think about it, technically it's not a day off because I got in at like 7 at night and I left this morning at 7. So it's not really a whole day, but I've been working my butt off, y'all, because, you know, I have to save because I don't know what lies in my future. But what I do know is that I'm not the provider. But I'm also not just gonna be like irresponsible and know that I have bills or just know that there's opportunity for me to make money and not do it. So my health is well, taking care of myself. I'm drinking tons of water. I'm like on my vitamins like crazy. And I think one of the bigger things is besides like those tater tot fries that I got, I've really been staying out of like fast food. Like normally, like I don't eat a lot. I'll eat like 1 meal a day, but sometimes it is fast food and that's just because of where we are. But because of this whole thing, I've been packing my food. And so I think that has a lot to do with it, like eating real food, not eating like this fake stuff, like actually eating real turkey, eating real cheese, you know, real vegetables, real fruits is helping. I just wanted to see how you guys were doing today. And I'm just in here relaxing. Haven't even touched the bed yet. You know, sometimes, it was just so beautiful out here. I really just wanted to like sit on the chair, watch Sharon, look outside, you know. I got to enjoy every moment now, y'all. Not that I wasn't before, but you know, like when something might be taken away from you, you pay a whole lot more attention to, and more appreciative of it. So when I come in the room, I sanitize everything. I sanitize it out. You gotta sanitize it all now. So yeah, you guys, let me show you what I'm eating. So this is my first time trying this. I bought some Swiss cheese and I froze it and it is now thawed. So, same, I bought my bread and I bought these, I froze these and now they're thawed. It's turkey. Or I have, not sure if I'm gonna eat yet, or I have my lemon pepper pink salmon with some mayonnaise. So I'm gonna make a sandwich and eat that with some chips. And in the morning, I also did the same. I have a bagel and then I have the cream cheese I froze. So that stuff is going in the refrigerator. So that stuff's gonna go in the refrigerator, and it did really well. It's my first time doing it. So it's like, if we freeze it, by the time we actually, our day ends and we get to our hotel room, everything is thawed and it's still cold. So, hey, your girl's packing the food down. Anyways, I love you guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I don't know if this vlog is, tomorrow's kind of an early day. Oh, this is a short layover. This is like a 12-hour layover, so that's why we're right at the airport. And I'm back in Dulles. I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm back in Dulles. Ouch. One of our flights canceled. So I was supposed to be in Richmond, but it canceled, so we're here. But yeah, I was gonna say, should I end it here? Because there's nothing that we can do, you guys. Everything's shut down. So if anything, maybe I'll talk to y'all in the morning. Maybe. So yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next vlog. We pick up. Remember, love yourself, love somebody else. Ooh, yes, come through, lighting. So I will pick up with you guys tomorrow. Well, on the next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. And tell me where you guys would like me to go. I'll try and pick up the trip. Like, not that I can promise I can get anything, but that would be pretty cool. Like, if you guys comment like cities or something, that would be cool, and I'll see if it's possible. Remember, love yourself, love somebody else, take care of yourself, take care. You know what I was thinking about? When I started saying that, like, that was just how I felt. Like, honestly, I was talking to myself. But I said it the other day, and I was thinking like, girl, do you know what you've been saying this whole time? Like, that is so important. Like, especially right now, you gotta love yourself, love somebody else, and we gotta take care of ourselves. God, I don't know where it came from, but it's working. So love yourself. So here's the unedited version. Take care of yourself, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Love you guys. Bye. Peace, y'all. Peace. All right, for real. Bye, y'all. See y'all later.